Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this before and after whitening teeth edit on CapCut PC. She already has like a really white teeth. She already has really white teeth, but I'm just gonna show you how. So go to enhance here, enable the face, and I'm just going to brighten her teeth even more. Then I'm going to select mask, and I'm going to select the horizontal one, and I'm just going to split it this way. It's not yellow, but I don't know if I can actually make it super yellow. If I go to adjustments and like made it like yellow, it's still going to show her face, and the lips change as well, but this is just an example. Then I'm going to go to library, and I'm going to add in a white stock video, and I'm going to put it like here. Go to mask and select the horizontal one. Select the mirror one and rotate it to create a like line here. Well, maybe have the white one the other way around, so it's like before after, and you can type before here and after. And again, this is just an example. Don't color the skin yellow, of course, but let me actually see if I can copy and paste this and only show the teeth. So let me just do that real quick. There you go. Okay. And now you can just type in before or after, and yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!